Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. Today we are going to learn about the services in the Angular. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So Angular services are objects that organize and share the data, functions and the business logic across the multiple components in Angular application. They are fundamental part of the building. Angular apps are used to perform the following tasks like fetching the data from the server, validating the user input, logging to the console, making the HTTP request, managing the state, working with the third party APIs. So these are the things that the Angular services do. Use the Angular CLI to create the new service. So this is the command ng generate service my service. So I'm going to just use this one. So go to the terminal, just run this command and it will create the service.ts file. Okay, so here you can see that. If I go and check my service.ts with the help of injectable, and it give me the export class my service. Okay, so this is, and this is, we have the constructor. Okay, next part. Okay, define service logic, implement the desired functionality within the service class. This could be involved the fetching the data, performing calculation, accessing the local storage, handling the user authentication. Okay, so this is a definition, right? So core features of the services in Angular 19: dependency injection, important. Okay, so Angular services are designed to leverage the DI, making it easy to inject them into the components and the other services. Singleton nature. By default, services are singleton, meaning only one instance of the service exists for the application lifecycle. Modular usage. You can scope services to specific modules using the provide in property. So let's discuss in detail what exactly they are. Okay, so here we have using a service in the component, inject the service in the components constructor, inject the service using the inject decorator. So whenever you want to inject some of the services that we have created, which method we are going to use? Inject method. Okay, and that inject decorator you can use using the services in the component. If you go with the constructor, there is another method that you can use to inject that services. Okay, we will go in detail step by step. Okay, so first, see, we have the my service in service.service.ts. Okay, so here we have the logic to fetch the data from the API. So here I'm just calling the HTTP client to fetch the data from anything, right? So in my component, what I will do here in the constructor, I will declare private, and this is my service. First of all, you have to import this one. Okay, so import that one, and here we have the my service. Okay, so whenever there is a init, so I'm going to call the my service dot fetch data dot subscribe and handle the fetch data whatever I get. So how to call this one? This call the services. Main thing, import in a component, import this. After this, in the constructor, declare. Okay, after that, ng on in it, you are just calling this function. So when there is a component loads properly, in that case I'm just load that data, fetch the data, whatever the data we have locked over there. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, use provide in. So what is the use of provide in? Here we have the root. That means in the service product creator to make it available app wide, means anyone can use this one, so globally you can say. Okay, so this is the what the Angular services we have. Now in the coming series we are going to learn about the how to create the service, which we have already learned how we can create the services. We can create a service and use in our components component file, and how it works, how there is a linking, we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. So I hope you get to know about the what are the Angular services more you clear with the examples. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.